Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your Kemper with just a few knob tweaks. One of the fun parts of the Kemper is having a nice collection of profiles and being able to switch them out whenever you like. I have tons, and I make some, and I also buy a ton of other third-party ones. The one I have up here now is of a Diaz P20. For those of you who don't know, Cesar Diaz was one of the original rock star guitar techs for Keith Richards and Stevie Ray Vaughan, and he made amps for Warren Haynes, and just an original tone guru. I have this Diaz profile up, Diaz 6, nice stratty tone. This translates pretty nicely. Let me show you, these are the controls that I always go to first. The number one control, most powerful control in the box, is in the amplifier section, and it's this definition knob. And that'll take it from the most loosey-goosey Fender style to like the tightest, most solid state monster ever. So small knob tweaks really go a long way here. So it's a little loose in the butt there. I'm just going to turn it up a bit. See how that really tightened up? Go back down. You lose everything there, and if you go too far, then it sounds like you're playing through a pig nose. But finding a nice that's pretty good. Now, once you start cranking up the definition, there's a couple things that it lets you do. It opens up room on the EQ if you want to add a little more bottom, because it's come in a little tighter. So. That might be a little much. You know, honestly, with all of the EQ settings, I rarely use more than maybe like a half a dB. Except for the bass. The bass is the one place where I'll kind of cook it a little bit, especially if it's something I'm not going to use in a track. I'm just using it to play for fun. I want a lot more sort of bottom end fundamental. I'm just going to add a little sparkle on the top from the treble. I might be able to eke out a little more definition there. Yep. And then let's put a little gain. Cook it a little bit. Now the gain makes me want to push the bottom a little more. A little more definition now. For me, that's a killer sort of driven bluesy tone. It's in line with what the actual amp would do, but we're going off into a different territory, and that's one of the cool things. I could go to a gainier profile, and that's fine too, but these are just ways you could sculpt the sound for something you're looking for here. Let me show you another setting I really like. comes in the cabinet tab. This low shift knob will give you a little extra depth. It's like it makes the cabinet larger. That made it a little hollow, so I'll back it down to maybe like wherever that it landed, 1.8. So that fattened up that low end. If you go too far, it'll lose some sort of fundamental definition. So I really like this for the neck pickup. Now for the bridge pickup, I'm going back to the amp setting and I'm gonna lower the definition knob, and that will just let out some of the tightness so I can get some body around the notes. I hope these tips will help you dial in your tones when you're, that far away and you just gotta get that extra nudge to what you're looking for, or when you want to completely transform your tone into new guitar territories. This is a really good place to start. See you soon.